but oh no, I use favourite place to order from. Hey everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a realistic day in my life at uni. And yeah, so today is a Wednesday, so I have today off, so no lectures. But I just need to have a kind of sort myself out day. I need to do my essay. Obviously I'll show you everything I have to eat because a day in the house just means loads of food. So yeah, so if you want to find out what I get up to, then definitely keep on watching. And if you are new here, I'd absolutely love for you to stick around, join the little family we have going on by subscribing. We're almost at 800 subscribers, which is, it's crazy. So thank you so much, and let's just get on with the video. Also, I wanted to do a day in the life because I asked you on my Instagram last night whether you prefer vlogs or sit down videos, and I think like 80% of you voted vlog, so here I am with a vlog. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then definitely go follow me on there. If you want to, of course, it's just Georgialaurenbirch. I feel like I haven't really shown you our kitchen much. It's not amazing, it's just like a student house kitchen. But yeah, we have birthday balloons up because it was Molly's birthday the other day, but I think we're just leaving them up because it's Scarlett's birthday in a few days, so we may as well. So this is the situation. So I've obviously got some Greek yogurt. This is all from Aldi, by the way. And then I bought some honey as well because I can never have Greek yogurt without honey. I don't know why, I just don't think it tastes very nice. So yeah, usually I try and get the honey yogurt, but they didn't have any, so I had to go for the two. And then I'm gonna chop up some strawberries, and then I always have this chocolate granola. I mean, it's probably not the most healthy thing in the world, but it actually has less calories and things and like fats in it than the normal granola I used to eat, which isn't chocolate. So I thought, may as well go chocolate then. This is the breakfast. This is going to be so good. Strawberries, yogurt and chocolate granola. Sometimes I put a little bit of like honey just drizzled over the top if it's not chocolate granola, like if it's not as sweet, but the chocolate granola it's just the one. So I'm just about to sit and eat this for like 10 minutes because it's now 10 to 10. So I kind of want to start at 10. I'm one of them people who likes to like start on a set time. Otherwise I feel like I may as well wait till half 10. I know that's ridiculous, but it's just how I think about it. So I'm going to sit here 10 minutes, eat my breakfast and watch some YouTube. I'm really loving TJ Twins at the minute. Definitely go check them out if you haven't watched them already. So I know this is meant to be like a work day, but what I decided to do is I'm going to put on some fake tan on my face because I feel like it will make me feel a bit better, a bit brighter. I don't know, but that's just what I'm going to do. So, I know you shouldn't put it on your hands, but can't wait for the orange hands after this. I usually just like wash my face and then literally just rub it in like this. It looks really scary, but oh no, I usually rub it in with moisturiser. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? This probably wasn't a good idea. Oh no, it looks really dirty. My face looks really dirty. Oh no. I knew there was something missing about what I'd done. Usually I mix it with moisturiser. I don't know how dark that's going to go. So basically I always have really, really sensitive skin, but the Bondi Sands tan never like, touch wood, never breaks me out on my face. Obviously I need to wash my hands pretty rapidly, but this one, like this tan, never breaks me out on my face. And also I kind of prefer it to wearing makeup because I usually have eyelash extensions and like my eyebrows dyed. At the minute my eyelash extensions they're on the last legs. The madness behind it. I don't know why I decided to do it on my work day. I think I'm doing a bit of procrastination, but we're gonna crack on now. So also, if I'm doing like a full day of work, have I even told you I'm doing a full day of work? Well, this vlog is gonna be like a full day and get my essay done, that kind of thing. So if I'm ever doing a full day of work, sometimes I just stay in my pajamas, stay in bed and do it, but I've decided today I'm going to be productive. I'm going to get up. I always find I'm more productive when I'm not just sat in my pajamas in bed, you know. So I want to sit at the desk, I'm ready to go. I've obviously tanned my face now, but not that that's like any help to work, but it's fine. So the outfit I'm wearing is just this big baggy jumper from Pretty Little Thing. It's just the kind of taupe one. I think basically everyone and their mum has it. Just like a big oversized one, and then it's just some comfy leggings from Primark, and I'm so happy to see these leggings. I have lost my leggings for about since I've started uni. This is what you'll be seeing me in for the foreseeable future anyway. It's now 10:16, basically 10:15. I'm gonna get started now. What I've done, I've got a tidy room, I'm ready for the day, and I'm about to like crack on with work. I'm gonna make a little to-do list first. So I've got this little notepad which says like start today. It has like your to-do list, your top 3 priorities, your like for tomorrow, treat yourself. It's quite good like just to organise your goals. And I'm just gonna make a little quick to-do list, and then the task for today, the main task, that the top priority, is to finish my essay. I've wrote about 1,000 words, so I've got 1,000 to go, but I've got all day. I'm literally beyond freezing. Like, this house is so cold. I need to go turn the heating on. I don't know if anyone else is in, but the heating's going on because I'm literally shivering. I don't know if you could see the time lapse, probably not, but I'm so cold. I'm gonna turn the heating on and then continue with the essay. It's going okay, it's going alright, but it's just quite a deep topic. It's all about like false memories. I don't know if anyone's interested, but it's really interesting, but it's very deep, so I want to make sure I kind of write it in the right way. So yeah, it's quite a hard one to write about, but it's so interesting. I'm gonna now sit here with this blanket around me until the heating kicks in, because I honestly, it's so cold. But I need to crack on with the essay. I'm now on 1,145, so we're getting there. I'm aiming for 1,650 in the main essay, and then like 150 and 200 for the intro and conclusion. So that's the aim. Usually I never like leave space for the intro and conclusion. I just like go full out with the word count with the main text, and then I never have any space for the intro, never have any space for the conclusion, and I end up trying to cut out like 300 words of my essay. So we're not gonna do that this time. We're gonna be more smart about this, and we're gonna leave space. So I'm just gonna carry on, and I'll probably next speak to you at lunchtime because I'm already getting a bit hungry, and it's only like 11:30. I've only been at this for like an hour and I'm already hungry. But I will wait and I'll catch up with you at lunchtime. So just a little update on the tan. Didn't actually go too bad, so maybe I don't need to mix with moisturiser. I'm quite happy with the tan that's been developed. I'm not sure how it's going to be in a few hours, but it's been on for like 2.5 hours now and it seems to be fine, so it's all good. So I'm now going to have a lunch break. It's now 12:20 because I'm literally so hungry. I don't know why I'm so hungry. I feel like it's because I'm just sat here. I'm just thinking about food. But yeah, I'm going to have a lunch break now. I'm currently on 100, that'd be so bad, 1,358 words, and I need to get to 1,650. So I've got about a 300 word paragraph left to do, and then just the introduction and conclusion. So I'm happy with my progress before lunchtime. Gonna go have a break now for like till like 1ish, and yeah. So these are the ingredients. Obviously it's quite obvious how you make a ham and cheese bagel, isn't it? Just ham, cheese, and then I've got salad. Obviously the good old Hellmann's mayo, could not do without that. And then these are actually fake bagels from Aldi, like they're not the actual bagels, you know, the New York bagels, but they are still so good. And also little dupe for the actual Philadelphia I also have, and I mean the packaging's pretty similar and they taste the exact same. So just a little tip, if you're an Aldi, this is like 50p, and I'm pretty sure a pot of the same size of this, because this is way bigger than, this is like tiny. I'm pretty sure this is a lot cheaper, so if you're a big Philadelphia fan, maybe try this. So these are the bagels complete. I mean, this looks like a very big lunch now I'm looking at it. I don't know if my eyes are bigger than my belly, but I am literally starving, so don't think so. I think I can do it. I'm gonna put on a bit of Love Island Australia while I eat this. ITVB is the best. It has Love Island Australia in it, and I'm just obsessed. I think I like it genuinely as much as the UK one. Like, I am invested. So I've just had lunch and it was so good. Literally, bagels are my favourite thing. So yeah, I had the bagels, and then now I'm going to carry on with my essay. The heating for some reason has gone off again. I think it just goes off like on timer, because it goes on for a bit and then it always goes off. And I'm like, it's still cold here. So I've just done like another 2 hours-ish of the essay. Haven't really got much done, and that just shows like it's not about how much time you spent on it, it's more about like how productive you are, do you know what I mean? So I've just spent like 2 hours and got literally nothing done, whereas my 2 hours this morning was so much better. So I'm just not stressed about it. I'm gonna go down, get a snack, have another little break. Say writing's like this though, like I feel like sometimes you just have like a block and you can't like get your words out, do you know what I mean? So this is my snack of choice. It's like a tiny little baby pack of grapes. How cute is that? I don't know if you can kind of tell the size, but it's so cute. So I'm going to eat these. One of your 5 a day. So yeah. So it's now 5 o'clock and I'm feeling like so hungry. Like the hunger's just taken over me. So I'm going to head down, make dinner, and then I'm going to come back to the essay in like an hour or two and try and tackle it then. I feel like with an essay, if you're not getting on well, you may as well just have a break, because I feel like either it flows or it doesn't. So I'm going to go have a break, have dinner, have some food, and yeah. So I'll obviously take you along with me, because why wouldn't I? It's a vlog. So I've just had dinner. I had tomato pasta, like tomato spaghetti with chicken and cheese. Oh, it's so good. A little update on the tan. It has gone slightly orange. Yeah, quite a lot orange, but I feel like when I wash it off, it'll be all good. And it's Wednesday, which means Apprentice is at 9. Also, I may order dessert tonight because I'm just in the mood, you know. It's currently 6:30 and I want to watch The Apprentice at 9, so I'm probably going to work till then. And then stop working, watch Apprentice, and just love life at 9 o'clock basically. So got to push through till 9. This is honestly the most organised I've been all term. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. Got some little snacks, got some Nature Valley bars, and then apple. Got bagel 1, bagel 2. So the bag is packed. It's got everything I can actually put in apart from my laptop and my chargers and stuff. Snacks, energy drink, because this is beyond needed for the 4-hour lecture. I can't even, can anybody like feel my pain? 1 till 5 straight. And I also start at 9, so Thursday is not a good day. So yeah, that is all packed. It can be hung up, ready to go. So yeah, it's ready to go. So my favourite place to order from Knots is Oh So Creamy. I love how it's literally in your favourites. That's embarrassing. But yeah, it literally comes so quick on Uber Eats. I always get, let's have a look. Order again. That's literally what I'm going to get again. Create your own cookie dough. I get milk chocolate. Oh wait, no, I get double chocolate. That means the cookie is like chocolate. I get Belgian chocolate sauce and I get strawberries. So that is going to be ordered, and I'm going to watch The Apprentice, and that's it. So I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if it was a bit boring. It's just, it was a realistic day in the life. So that's just kind of what goes on at uni. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.